First, before I get into my plans for August, I want to thank everyone for the birthday wishes. It was so nice to hear from so many of you. Appreciate you appreciating me and the day that I was born. And I also wanted to send out a quick reminder, albeit last minute, but I'm doing a live stream tonight for the Hemsiders over on Patreon. It is an Ask Me Anything, so people have been submitting questions on Instagram or in the comments section of my videos, and I'll answer those tonight, live, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and tonight is August 6th. August 6th, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, US, live stream on Patreon. So you have to join over there, and then you'll get the link and everything that you need to join. So excited to talk with so many of you and chat and hang out for a minute. Okay, also today's video sponsor is Irresistible Me and their brand new 2020 edition blow dryer. So you guys know I've been on a journey with my hair in the past few months. I did no blow dry July at all, hoping that by the end of the month, some of my hair would retain its natural curl better, it'd be less frizzy, so on and so forth. I don't know that that was like exactly what happened. I think there was some benefits, but I think washing my hair more, which is what I ended up doing when I wasn't blow drying it, ended up counterbalancing any damage that I was doing from the blow dryer. But I did commit to less heat, less time under the blow dryer, and less styling tools. And that is where the Black Diamond blow dryer comes in really, really clutch, because it has this infrared technology, and the infrared dries your hair faster than a regular blow dryer would. It also has negative ion particles that help smooth it out so that you don't need the same styling tools like a hair straightener or a curling iron that you might have needed before. But beyond those two things, when I first got this, I was like, it came in like a unmarked package, and I was like, oh, I got this random package. It wasn't anything that I ordered. Like, you know, what could this be? I mean, I knew I was expecting this, but it was, the package was so lightweight and small that I thought, that can't be this. And I opened it, and it's the blow dryer. This thing weighs less than a pound. I think it's like 0.86 pounds or something like that. Super lightweight. You can see how small it is, but when you turn this thing on, it is like a Beyonce moment. It is like powerful. The trajectory with which the air blows out of it is stronger than any blow dryer I've ever had before. And it has 6 different settings. So 3 speed settings and 3 heat settings, which is really nice. I've had the 3 speed settings before, but never the 3 heat settings. So when I am starting to blow dry my hair, I can do it on the highest heat and then go down to the lower heat as I'm putting the blow dryer kind of like directly on my hair. And I feel like that's aiding with, you know, preventing further damage to the hair I have. So I'm super thrilled with this thing. I love it. I have a link in the description box where you can grab yours. There's also a coupon code, and since it's new and they're just releasing it, it's on sale now. So you can get this thing for less than 50 bucks, which is a great, great deal. So if you're looking for a new blow dryer and you want professional quality, powerhouse in a small but mighty frame, try this guy out. Okay, now let's talk about August plans. So, truth be told, I don't have a ton of different plans, but I have a lot of plans within each plan. Does that even make sense? First of all, I do have some works in progress, and the works in progress is getting a little bit out of control, and it's my 2020 resolution to not let that go crazy. So I want to handle some of those. First off, I have the seam work Dorian skirt cut out from the micro corduroy curtain that I got from Goodwill, and I'm super excited about this. So it's all cut out and ready to go. All I have to do is sew it. So I will be able to get to that. You guys have already heard me talk about that plan before. Same thing with New Look 6654. This cute little play on a shirt dress. Remember the bed sheets that I got from Goodwill, the green ones? I have that all cut out and it just needs to be sewn up as well. So both of those projects should be like intraday. Like I can start it in the morning and, you know, by lunchtime or the evening, they should be done. That would be the plan. And then other works in progress wise, I have a couple things just randomly over here. I don't even really truly know what's what over there. So I want to get through that and organize that. So there might be some surprises when it comes to August makes. Oh, also I have my Irresistible Me hair extensions in, the same company that makes that blow dryer. I got their clip-in extensions just because my hair is very long, and as you get to the ends, it gets really thin at the bottom. And so this helps it like look thicker. I know it's harder to see on the black jumpsuit I'm wearing, but you know, perfect color match. I love these things. So fabulous. Okay. So my style for this month, if I'm being honest, so my style is a little bit annoying right now. For the past 3 months, they've only given us one women's pattern. And like, I appreciate the fact that they're like including the guys, but like, I need more than one option. So for the past 2 months, I haven't even bothered to sew the one women's pattern because I was never going to wear them. And so I told myself, okay, we'll go back and either remake one that you already made and make it better, and make another version of it, or go buy like the alternate pattern that you didn't originally get. And I haven't done that because there's no point. Nobody's talking about it. There's not that like amped up excitement around it. So this month when I saw that the one and only women's pattern was this cute cardigan. It is the Lulu cardigan by Paper Scout. And the Lulu cardigan is a very close fitting cardigan. I'm hesitant to even call it, I mean, she calls it a cardigan, so I'll call it a cardigan, but it's more like a sweater. I don't know. It's not, I mean, yes, you could wear it over something, but you don't necessarily have to. It's that close fitting. I don't know that I love that. Like, what would I wear that with? Would I just wear it by itself? And then all the kind of, I don't know. So I'm thinking about making it, but sizing up to make it a little bit looser and make it a little bit bigger. Almost to where it doesn't have any negative ease. And I don't know how many sizes that would mean I'd have to size up to. But I'm thinking like a princess seam cardigan with a little bit looser fit. And I found this really nice sweater knit. I must have gotten it in New York City because I don't remember buying it anywhere else. But it is a, it's got fleece on the back. So I think that that will be nice for the cardigan, especially because this is the part that will touch your skin. And the coloring is really nice. I love this like, you know, burgundy color for the fall. Obviously you can pair it with, you know, black or, you know, a lot of different colors, blue, green. And I have plenty of this to make like a long sleeve cardigan. So I'm going to go with this. And for whatever reason, if I don't have enough, then I have this same black cotton knit, almost like a lightweight ponte, that I used for the bottom half of that pajama romper that I just posted. So I could intersperse this, you know, the black calling out a little bit of the black from the sweater knit. So I think these would be two really good options. I think I had originally planned on making like a fit and flare dress from this. So it's that kind of drapey, lightweight, but again, I think it would be good for a cardigan, not necessarily super tight fitted, but a cardigan that's a little bit looser and drapey. And I'll still do the zip up feature and all of that, but just a little bit looser. You know what I mean? I don't know about a super tight fitting cardigan. So I'm going to try and get back on the Sew My Style train again now that we are, now that there's a pattern that I can kind of get behind. Okay, so also in August, I am going to be doing what I'm tentatively calling Iris Week. I'm just at the point now where I'm making up my own holidays and my own celebrations, because it's that kind of year where I just need something to look forward to. I need something to celebrate, so I'm just making up my own. The Iris Tee is a Forget Me Not pattern. I talked about it a little bit in my chat video from last month, and it's just like your basic tee with options. So you have different sleeve options, and one of them is like a pleated sleeve detail. You can also do like a regular sleeve, like a plain short sleeve. You can do a plain long sleeve, or you can do a pleated 3/4 sleeve. So there's lots of options with the sleeves that kind of switch it up a little bit. So in thinking about making that, I knew that I didn't want to use any of the knits that I already have in my stash, because a lot of them are rayon jersey, and I just decided that I don't like rayon jersey. Like, I just don't like working with it. I don't like wearing it. Like, I don't like anything about it, which is sad, because I love rayon. I love rayon wovens. Rayon knits, not so much. So I went to fabric.com and I got 4 different cotton jerseys. So these are all different manufacturers, different weights, different like compositions of the cotton and spandex. They all, like, now that I have them in my hand, all feel different, which is really nice. And they're all different colors. So I'm gonna be able to produce 4 different versions of the Iris Tee pattern. Now, I'm not just gonna make all t-shirts. Y'all know me better than that by now. One of them is gonna be a dress. So I'm gonna do like a pattern hack for like a cotton jersey dress. One is gonna be the pleated sleeve short, one is gonna be the pleated sleeve long, and one is gonna be the regular short sleeve. So 3 shirts, 1 dress. And I'm super excited about it. Now that I've gotten the fabric and I can feel it and I can see the colors, like this mustard one, I was a little bit on the fence of, but I don't have any yellow garments. And I feel like yellow and mustard is a thing that's really happening right now, but I've always been told that people with yellow undertones in their skin, like Asian people, shouldn't wear yellow. I was always told that, but it's like, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna wash me out as much. I don't want a whole dress out of this. This is gonna be one of the t-shirt options so that I can wear it with pants and maybe like a little cover up, something to break it up. But I did want to get on the mustard train. So I was excited to try this one. This one's a little bit bright, but really pretty. I mean, this turquoise is stunning. And then gray and olive, because gray and olive are just like staples. And that's kind of what this pattern is. It's like a staple t-shirt pattern. So those are the plans that I have for August, plus maybe some surprises if I get to some of my other works in progress that I have. There's some other projects that I've talked to you guys about and I haven't even like dealt with at all. So maybe I'll get around to some more things. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how the month pans out. I don't have a ton of plans like in my life in August, you know, because Corona, you really can't do that much at all. So hopefully I'll be around the house a bunch. It's super hot. I don't want to go outside anyways. So I'm thinking and counting and betting on being at home a lot. And so I hopefully will be able to get a lot of sewing done. But obviously, follow me on social media for some follow-ups to some of this throughout the month. You can join my Patreon to get behind the scenes photos and updates and things like that. Plus, I'm doing the live stream tonight. Don't forget about that. So yeah, if you want to see how these things are coming along, head to either social media, I'm at Inside the Hem everywhere, or come join my Patreon, become a Hemsider. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.